Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let's see about Feluda. So what does Feluda stand for? FN Cas9 Editor Linked Uniform Detection Assay. So this FN stands for Francisella novicidia bacterium. This FN Cas9 binds and cuts the DNA, cuts your DNA. This was used to correct sickle cell anemia mutation in the stem cell level. This was initially used to correct the sickle cell anemia mutation in your stem cell level. Now it has been proposed to use this test to diagnose your COVID-19. Okay. So Feluda was discovered in or invented in India. So this test is basically a paper strip test, similar to your pregnancy kit test for the detection of your SARS-CoV-2 virus. So the difference between your RT-PCR and Feluda is RT-PCR you will get results within 6 to 8 hours. Here you will get this result within 1 hour. And the cost of this is around 2000. The cost of Feluda is only 500 rupees. This Feluda test has been approved by the drug regulator for launch. Okay. So the name Feluda is given based on your detector stories, Indian stories. Okay. Named after the fictional character. So the advantages of this Feluda is it is low cost, that is cost only 500 rupees. Timing it takes only 1 hour. Sample preparation time is 45 minutes and the testing time is 15 minutes. This can be used for mass testing, not screening. Mind it, it is mass testing. It's based on CRISPR, that is clustered regularly interspace short palindromic repeats test. CRISPR. So how is it done? You can take either a saliva sample or a blood sample. You will have to prepare the sample. Now this test uses a specific protein called Cas9, which is helpful in genetic engineering. So this is barcoded to interact with your SARS-CoV-2 virus. Now the sample Cas9 mixture, this is placed on the kit. So if the sample was infected with coronavirus, the strip changes its color and there will be 2 lines visible for a positive test. Okay, single line means it is a negative test. So the specificity of this test is 96%, which is similar to that of RT-PCR. That is, sensitivity means the probability of the test to identify the true positive who are having the disease. 98% specificity and 96% sensitivity. Specificity means the probability of the test to detect true negative who are not having the disease. Okay. So this can be used as a point of care testing, but not by the individual, by the healthcare professional. Not individual testing just like glucometer, but by healthcare professional. So basically we have 2 ways to detect your coronavirus. One is the protein or the antigenic part, that is by rapid antigen test or antibody test. Next is by genetic material using your RT-PCR. Now we have Feluda, which detects your genetic material. So the advantage is that it has good sensitivity and specificity, and accuracy is also similar to that of RT-PCR. And another thing is, in rapid antigen antibody, if you get a negative test, you will have to confirm by doing RT-PCR, but that's not the case with your Feluda test. Okay, so to summarize, Feluda is a paper strip test which is as accurate as your RT-PCR. Cost is only 1/4 of your RT-PCR, and you get results within 1 hour. Okay, thank you.